This strategy is one of our favorite strategies to do some research to learn about your audience relating to your topic. What we want you to do is find 3 to 5 books that are written around your topic. They've been trying to solve the same or similar problems that you will be working on throughout your course. So here's what's gonna happen. When you provide those links to our books, we'll go through and look at those comments. We're gonna look at 5-star reviews and 1 to 2-star reviews. You want to do the same thing. Once you're done, this is gonna be your assignment. We want to see what are people raving about. What are the 5-star reviews talking about over and over and over. So when you look for a pattern, because we want to repeat the good things people love, and we do not want to miss on those things. And then when we look at the negative feedback, the 1 and 2 stars, some are completely ridiculous, so ignore those. But some will give you very reasonable feedback, and they will tell you why they were disappointed with that specific book. So we can go, oh wow, if they say book never talked about this, book never gave me examples, book never did this. So we know what to do and what not to do in your online course. It's a goldmine because it's very hard to get feedback on other people's courses related to your course. So the next best thing is books. So you want to go on Amazon or Barnes & Noble, but Amazon is the most popular one. Find books. If you've never done this and you don't know good books on your topic, go out, research, and put the best books. And when I say best, the ones with most reviews. Because if there are a lot of reviews, that means a lot of people bought the book, read the book, and gave you the feedback that you need. If there are like 10 reviews, that's not enough. We need at least 50 or more. So go ahead and do that right now.